Alright, so first thing I do is I start with my eyes. This is what I do pretty much every day when I don't have to film anything. I'm not taking photos of myself. If you guys can hear that in the background, of course there's construction going on these days. I try to film and it's not stopping, so we're gonna deal with it. But I just take this primer. I have everything linked below also, guys, with links, so you guys can easily find everything, all the products. So we're gonna take that. We're just priming my eyes. I have really oily eyelids. I'm gonna take some powder and set my eyes, that primer. This is like a super quick eye makeup look I do every single day. I have very hooded eyes, so I need a lot of definition in my face. I have this palette. It's amazing. All natural colors. I take this shade. I take like a big fluffy brush and kind of make like an eyeliner. Yes, I use a business card. Do y'all hear that next door? I'm gonna take my Makeup by Mario brown pencil liner. Go into the waterline. Go a little bit under too. It's nice because this pencil has a brush on the end. We're just gonna buff it out a little bit so it's not so harsh. Alright. I always have to curl my lashes. Alright, those are my lashes curled. And then I'm going to do mascara. I do like 3 coats of mascara. I'm taking the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm literally going to lose my mind right now over this construction. The one day I try to film, they decide to do who knows what next door. There's like certain things of makeup I just need to do super up close. Mascara is one of them. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do, we get started on the face. So every day when I'm not wearing foundation, I'm wearing this Colorescience Flex Tinted Sunscreen. It's amazing, looks literally like your skin. I also have this in shade medium because I self-tan, so my neck is a lot darker than my face. So we have to fix that. It kind of looks funny if I am in natural light and don't have color to my face. It kind of looks a little funny. I'm getting low on this finally. I've had this for so long. It's lasted me, oh my god, amazingly long. It's like quite impressive, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm gonna blend it and you're gonna watch it blend to my face. So today I literally just have to go to a doctor's appointment. I get allergy shots actually every month. I used to do it every week, every 2 weeks. The point is eventually you do it monthly. Every, you know, longer period of time you do it, the less you have to go because it builds up in your skin more. So yeah. I have my 6-month appointment though, so they do some extra testing, just make sure I'm on track with everything. So I have that, and then I literally have to go shoot some photos for a restaurant. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, I do a lot of PR for restaurants, locals, events, just a whole bunch of stuff. This is gonna be in Myrtle Beach. I live in Myrtle Beach and Charleston, so I do both. Today I'm in Myrtle Beach, so this is what we're doing. So that's that. I always have to apply something under my eyes. I just naturally have a lot of darkness. So I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury eye corrector. I just started using this. I just did a video on it for my top products of the year. I started using this like a couple of weeks ago. And I do think it helps with the darkness, but I haven't decided on the formula if I love it or not. Like half the days it looks cakey, half the days it doesn't. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But so I do that, and I take my Natasha Denona concealer, best concealer on the market. I did a video on top 5 face products. This was also in it. Every single day. It is so hydrating. It is so beautiful. So I kind of just apply it places that I need a little more coverage or I want, you know, it just be a little more perfected. I'm gonna blend it. I always do my chin. My chin always has a little more redness than the other part of my face, so I always just do a little bit of that. And then top of my nose. Middle of the forehead a little bit. I don't always do the middle of my forehead, I don't know why. I feel like it's more cohesive if I have concealer in the middle of my forehead. Like it needs to be a little bit of everywhere, or it just looks a little much just under the eyes. I have very hooded eyes, so a lot of my makeup has to do with lifting the face. Because my face is just naturally really droopy, and that's just what it is when you have very droopy eyes. You have to do it. But it's easy fix with makeup, as you can see. And now we're gonna set that. I take this powder puff and that one size powder again. I just have it in the lid. And I set that right away so it doesn't crease. If you do have creases, blend them out before you powder it. I kind of just do the V thing. Do the other eye before it creases. This powder is also kind of brightening. I like it. It's a little bit of coverage to it. So it helps keep your under eyes flawless. And then I take that powder and set the other places I set the concealer. So I don't do too much. I have really, really dry skin. So I have to be really careful on that. Oh, I'm actually gonna add another layer of mascara. I do like 3 layers of mascara, guys, so. Funny thing is, my doctor appointment, my allergy appointment is literally at 11:45, so I have till 11:30 to film. So we're actually doing this on the dot right now and hoping to God I'm on time. Okay, so that's that, and then let's do a little bit of bronzing. Okay, so this product is new. It's a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Not sure about it yet. I have 2 brushes. Haven't decided which brush I like more with it. I've been using this. This is technically quicker because it's bigger, more fluffy. And I just take this like a dab. This stuff you really don't need a lot. And then I always start with my cheekbones. So it looks a little blotchy first. I know, it's kind of scary. It's kind of difficult to blend, I'm not gonna lie. I always do under the jaw just a little bit. You gotta even it out. It looks weird if you just don't have anything there. It looks more cohesive. I also I'm gonna go back to the smaller brush and we're gonna do the nose with that same product. Do a little bit like that. I do kind of like a rough nose contour. I don't do like super precise. I feel like it looks more natural. When I do foundation, I'll do more precise. But that's also because it's foundation and you can get away with that. It's a little more perfected. But I'm literally just doing casual makeup. So that's the bronzer. I think it looks okay. Still haven't decided on that whole product thing yet, honestly. If I love it or don't. Okay, another layer of mascara. Okay, now we're gonna I'm gonna add some lips just because I can't stand filming without having my lips done. I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. That's that. And then we're gonna do brows. This I have to do up close per usual because it's such a pain. I kind of just fill in the ends of my brows. I naturally have a lot of brow hair in the front, but I want a little more shape at the ends. I take the Anastasia DIPBROW. Yes, I use the DIPBROW. This used to be, what was that? It was like 2010 was a huge makeup thing. This product people would like literally draw on their eyebrows. I still use it because I just need shape on the end and that's it. But if you're not good at being precise with this product, you shouldn't use it. It's just really difficult. It's not for beginners. So I just make a little more shape. Did the wing a little too far today, holy cow. Okay. So that's that. So it just adds a little more shape to the ends of my brows. And I usually finish off with lip gloss. I love the Grande Cosmetics lip gloss. In clear specifically. It is beautiful. Super hydrating. Does not dry out my lips. It's awesome. And we got to set the face. So I've been using the Milani setting spray for forever. I'm trying out the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I haven't decided if I love it yet or anything like that. Yes, but we're gonna use it today because I have a whole bunch of stuff to get done. I also forgot, I use a secret mascara. That's not the Telescopic. It's the MAC one. Everything is linked below, guys, so just check the description for everything. But this mascara is incredible. I top off, it's kind of like a top coat to my mascara. It basically prevents it from smudging on my face at all, like getting anything right here. So this is the only mascara I found ever that actually prevents that and fixes that problem. So I use this as a little top coat, and I'm gonna literally be so pissed off if they ever discontinue this. I have this stocked up, but amazing product. So I'm gonna wait for my mascara to dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna spray my face with setting spray. Spray the face. I'm not gonna lie, so I've been using Milani for over a year now, every single day. And I just switched to this a couple days, like a couple weeks ago, and the smell of this I hate. I don't hate it, like how it works in itself yet. I need to really test it out on like a hot day or a day I'm working a 12-hour wedding or something. That'll be like the true test. But right now I just am on my off season, so I don't have anything right now. But I do have to go out on Sunday, so maybe I'll try it that day and then update you guys if I'm really loving this or not. So, okay, that's it. That's my everyday makeup when I'm not doing glam, just who cares, whatever. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.